Hello everyone, welcome to another SOLIDWORKS for Beginners tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to use sweep feature to create an Allen wrench. I will be creating this Allen wrench for M12 screws. Let's get started and stay tuned. Go ahead and open up new part file. Select part template. Now the sweep feature need two sketches. One is for the profile, the other one is for the path. Sweep feature is a type of extrusion. The extrusion is controlled using path sketch. The profile is swept along the path to get the final result. So let's create the profile sketch on front plane. Click on front plane, then select sketch from context toolbar. Under sketch command manager, select polygon. Click on the origin for the center of the polygon and hover your mouse to control the orientation of the hexagon. I will click on the second point so that rotational angle is 90 degrees. We have two options. We can use inscribed circle for this polygon, and also we can use the other option as well, but for this one we will use inscribed circle. Go ahead and click OK. Let's add few dimensions. I will use this table, and this will be used for M12 screw, and the Allen key size is number 10. Number 10 represent S. S is the hexagonal width across two flat surfaces of the Allen wrench. So this is number 10 millimeter, and close this table and click on smart dimension and add this dimension, change this dimension to 10 millimeter. And the sketch is not fully defined. Click OK to exit the dimension command, and let's add one more relation. Click on this line and select make vertical from context toolbar. Now the sketch is black, which is fully defined. Exit the sketch. Press Ctrl 7. Now the profile sketch is completed. Let's create path sketch. Select right plane and select sketch from context toolbar. Press Ctrl 8 to make it normal, and let's draw horizontal line starting from origin like this and vertical line like this. Press escape to exit the command. Let's use this table to add the dimensions. The length is A. A is for M12 screw is 112. I will add 5 millimeter since this is the center of the Allen wrench. It will not be exactly the center, but 5 millimeter is just enough. So I will make now A 117 and B 45 millimeter. So exit this dialog box and click on dimensions, make it 97 and make this 45. Click OK. Yes, it should be 117 the horizontal length. 112 plus 5, 117, press enter. And now the path sketch is completed, and exit the sketch. Press Ctrl 7. Now you can see we have two sketches. One is for the profile, the other one is for the path. Go ahead and click on sweep boss base command from feature command manager. Now sweep property manager is launched, and we have two selection boxes. One is for sketch profile, one is for the profile, one is for the path. So when this is highlighted, select this sketch for the profile, and then the path is highlighted, path selection box, then select this sketch for the path. Oops, before that we need to do one more thing. We have to actually edit this sketch. So I forgot to add this radius. Usually the radius for number 10 Allen wrench is 10 millimeter. So click on sketch fillet. Let's use sketch fillet. Click on this point. Fillet parameter is 10 mm. Keep constraint corners, and I will click on this option as well to add the dimensions of the fillet and click OK. Now you can see the 10 mm radius fillet is added, and now exit the command. Press Ctrl 7. Now let's go ahead and click on Sweep Boss Base command. From this property manager, select this sketch for the part profile and this sketch for the part. Now you can see the preview. You can keep all other options in this command manager as is, since they are not actually relevant to this simple sweep feature, and click OK to exit the command. Now the part is completed. We need to add one more feature before we actually complete the part. We need to add chamfer at these two ends. So the chamfer height is for this M12 screw Allen wrench is 0.62. So we can actually use chamfer command and vertex option to create a chamfer at each vertex point. So let's say 1 mm, 1 mm, 1 mm. You can see the preview of the chamfer, but I rather use revolve cut command to have a better finish. So I will cancel this and I will use revolve cut command to create the chamfer. So now I will select right plane and go to sketch. Press Ctrl 8. Let's create the sketch for chamfer. Click on line command. Hover your mouse until you pick the midpoint of this edge and draw a triangle similar to this, and exit the line property command, property manager. Go to smart dimensions and click on this vertical line, make it 0.62 chamfer height. Exit the command. Under the feature, select revolve cut, and we have to select axis of revolution. I'm going to use this sketch that I created before. Right click and make it show. Now the sketch is visible, and now select this sketch for the axis of revolution, and you can see the preview looks okay, and click green tick to accept the changes. So you can see the chamfer is added. Let's do the same thing to the other end as well, and in this case we will select right plane and click on right plane and select sketch. Press Ctrl 8. Let's do the same thing. Click on midpoint, draw rectangle, draw a triangle. Exit the command, go to smart dimension and make it 0.62. Sketch is fully defined. Click on green tick to accept the dimension and go to features, click on revolve cut, and for the axis of revolution select this sketch line. Preview looks good, click OK. Now the preview is added, the chamfer is added to the other end as well. So I will expand this sweep feature and click on this sketch and hide it. Now all the sketches, unnecessary sketches, are hidden. Press Ctrl 7 to go to isometric view. Right click on material properties, go to edit material and select alloy steel. Click apply, close, and go ahead and save the part. I will save it as Allen wrench, and for M12 screw number 10. And click save. I hope you enjoyed this video, and simple sweep feature can be used to build a useful part in SOLIDWORKS. If you found this video is valuable, please hit like. I'm going to use this part for my future few videos to demonstrate some other tools in SOLIDWORKS. Until then, you take care. Subscribe this channel to get latest update of similar videos. Thank you everyone for watching.